It is finally here. My CNFans warning remover extension is finished, and as you can see here, it is already up on the Chrome Web Store, and you guys can finally download it. This has been long overdue because, as you can see, there is tons of different warning remover extensions. But one thing a lot of people don't know is these aren't working anymore because they were built for the old version of the CNFans website. And it's as simple as literally just typing up agent warning remover, and as you can see, it's this one here with the OG Sheets logo, and all you have to do is click add to Opera or add to Chrome if you're on Google Chrome, and just like that, you're done. But I'll show you a couple more features this extension has that none of the others have. So a really cool feature with this extension that I decided to build in is the fact that when you're on spreadsheets, you can now filter by the agent you want. So basically, as you can see here, instead of there just being the link, there's a buy now button, and you can choose whichever agent you want to open the link on. So for our case, we're going to click CNFans, bang, we're going to open it, and there's going to be no warning. And it's really just as simple as that. By the way, guys, if you can, download the extension and leave a 5-star review on it. And go ahead and send me proof of that to my Instagram. And I'm going to be picking a couple winners that are going to get a free haul. Yes, a free haul. 1,000 CNY balance top up. I'm working with CNFans on this one. Literally just send me a screenshot of your 5-star review that you leave on the extension. And you have a chance of being hooked up. It's free. Why wouldn't you do it?